This is the Blackview A55, a new budget phone from Blackview, which you can get for around 80 bucks. And for that you get 3 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of storage, Android 11, a 6.5 inch display, 4780 mAh battery, the MediaTek 6761, and yeah, those are our main specs. Let's open this up. Oh, scratched the wrong place. Let me just. Alright, for once I got a color that's not black, because they're usually sold out of these specific colors, and then I have to wait ages to get this, but yeah, feels great in the hand. First impressions, very nice. In the box, I'm guessing this is just our manual. Yeah, just manual, nothing else. Charging cable, micro USB, and our charging brick. Alright, first impressions, the display is actually pretty nice. I like the size of the bezels. Yeah, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. Alright, first impressions, it's actually a pretty snappy experience for the specs that we have. So as you can see, it's not too slow, and right out of the box we have the gesture navigations, of course. So far for $80, we're getting a decent design, like pretty good design actually. I mean, it's pretty colors and all that. And the speed is decent, like this could actually be used. I mean, it'd be slow, but but so far it's usable. I mean, of course it's slower, but for $80, this is what you can expect. Despite it being slow, it's actually usable. As you can see, I fit writing that in. It takes a little bit longer than, more expensive phones, because I've tested many phones in this price range where it's just unusable. Like the App Store keeps freezing, keeps always stutter, stuff like that. But so far, in my experience, that is not the case. So all those apps are downloading. Let's see if we have Face Unlock, which we most likely do. No fingerprint unlock though. Yeah, there it is, Face Unlock. All right, let's do this. All right, does it work? Not from there, it doesn't. Now, when I hold it close up to my face, it does work. Let's try one more time. All right, so Face Unlock, it's a bit slow, but it works. Oh, that's a lot of stutter. Oh, damn. All right, maybe if we turn off ads. Nah, that does not really help our case. Oh, never mind. Kinda does. Oh, wait, ads are back. I thought I disabled you. Oh, I'm playing on my other account that didn't buy the premium. All right, we're gonna have to use the airplane mode for this. You could also just turn off Wi-Fi. This also works. So as you can see, we can't completely avoid the ads, I see. I don't understand why Facebook, of all apps, need their own ad. Like, are there not enough Facebook users? There's like billions of Facebook users. Why do they need to advertise more? So as you can see, after disabling those annoying pop-ups, the game increases significantly. Which is a shame, because advertisers, you're killing gaming on budget phones. Stop it. All right. WindRider. This is going to be one of the first times, I think, that we actually test WindRider with airplane mode, meaning we won't get ads. So we're going to see the phone's true potential this time. All right, so as you can see, that is pretty decent. But you're going to have to keep in mind, if you want a decent gaming experience on this phone, you're going to have to use airplane mode. But games that require internet like PUBG, it's not gonna work. I'm not even gonna test PUBG just because the phone, the specs are really weak, but yeah, gaming on this phone, like the mini games, they're pretty decent actually. Just gotta take the right precautions and they'll run alright. Alright, so the speaker is a bit quiet and the quality is a bit tinny, but other than that, the quality is decent overall for 80 bucks. Alright, rear camera is 8 megapixels, front camera is 5 megapixels, rear video is full HD, front video is also full HD. Alright, first selfie, here we go. Okay, let's go outside. It's currently raining, we'll see what we can do. Alright, rear facing video. Trying to get this phone as less wet as possible, so let's try to focus on these leaves real quick. Okay, let me know what you think. And front facing video. Oh, the rain's getting harder. Alright. Alright, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? Well, for 80 bucks, I think we're getting a pretty decent value. I mean, the performance is, the phone's slow, but for the price, I think it's pretty good actually. The display, however, it's really good for the price. Cameras, they're a bit bad, kind of unusable, but you can get some decent shots if you really tried. Speaker is not the best, but you do have a headphone jack. One of the phones that haven't eliminated it yet. And that is pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.